The water drilling company were going on as they have gotten about 1,000 feet down the earth, and they discovered the gas emission. And the company quickly pulled out their machine and reported back to the school management. And the school management eventually also contacted the safety agencies to come to their rescue. The fire services here, the Enugu State Fire Service, the Federal Fire Service, the NEMA, the SEMA, the Civil Defense, the NESRA, and the GPR, and so many other groups were here trying to put out this fire. A lot of thousands of liters of water and the chemical has gone into this fire, yet the fire refused to abate. It was discovered that it's been suspected that the water is coming from natural